Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type Samsung Voice Recorder. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now just continue. Click on Yes, I agree and tap on this red button to start your recording. Click Allow again. And as you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same button. In order to save your recording, click on the right one and tap Add Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created, but if you want to delete it, you can always hold it. Click on this bin icon over here and tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!